Hi parents, don't forget to grab our free bilingual printable link in the description. Hi friends, do you love the ocean? Let's learn about sea creatures in English and Chinese. Clownfish. Clownfish. 小丑鱼，小丑鱼。Pufferfish. Pufferfish. 河豚，河豚。Eel. Eel. 鳗鱼，鳗鱼。Squid. Squid. 透抽，透抽。Starfish. Starfish. 海星，海星。Seal. Seal. 海豹，海豹。Walrus. Walrus. 海象，海象。Clam. Clam. 蛤蜊，蛤蜊。Sea snail. Sea snail. 海螺，海螺。Seaweed. Seaweed. 海带，海带。Crayfish. Crayfish. 小龙虾，小龙虾。Dugong. Dugong. 如艮，如艮。Can you name this word with me? Clownfish. Pufferfish. Eel. Squid. Starfish. Seal. Walrus. Clam. Sea snail. Seaweed. Crayfish. Dugong. Great job! Hi parents, don't miss our free printable fruits and vegetables learning kit perfect for 1 to 3-year-olds. Click the link in the description to get it. See you in the next video.